G'day guys, welcome back to another Salt and Carbon episode. In last week's episode, you would have seen us tackle the bazillion corrugations as we made our way to Steep Point. Fortunately, Tina never suffered any injuries. In this week's episode, you'll see us heading to Monkey Mia and the fantastic Cape Peron National Park. Enjoy the episode. Last night, Jen and I stayed at the caravan park in Denham, and yeah, we wanted to do some washing, and obviously with my birthday had some dinners and things like that, a couple of drinks, so didn't want to drive too far out of town while inebriated. So this morning we left Denham, did the 20-minute trip to Monkey Mia. We've just arrived. It's $50 for a month pass, $25 per person, and yeah, I'll show you guys what it's all about now. Just taking a video. Thanks, mate.
Yeah, good one.
Thanks. Just right off the bat, this place is quite strange. On the drive here, you've got all of your native plants, and then when you get here, this entire place has palm trees. We'll show you that now, but it's like this real resort living area. Monkey Mia is a resort in itself, so it's like if you can imagine, like a station, a farm station, and they've turned that into a resort. That's what this place is. As I said, this place is pretty strange, being like a holiday resort or something that you would find in Bali or something like that, but in Australia, right? All of these palm trees aren't native to this area, and they also feed the dolphins, which is a bit strange. So it can be quite controversial. All of these people in front here are actually looking at the dolphins. Jen and I just had a nice swim in the public pool. Here's a hot tip for you. So you can pay $15 to get inside here, and then just basically just gives you access to the whole area for the day. Or you can pay $25 for 4 weeks. If you're going to be in and out this area, in the Denham area, Cape Peron area, then it means you can come in and out of this area. And I'm saying area a lot. But you can come in and out of Monkey Mia and use their facilities, so having showers and doing all of that. Guys, just have a look at how red all of the sand is. It's crazy. We're in Cape Peron at the moment. This campsite is called Big Lagoon, and just over there, as the sun's going down, we're going to have a bit of a walk, see what the lagoon has to offer, how that looks like at least, and maybe have a sundowner here. They've really made this place nice with this whoa, straight in the nose, with all of this walkway and so on around. There's even a barbecue area there. How pretty is this? Jeez. Lots of places to sit. Morning everyone. Last night was really cold here, but had a fairly okay sleep. The wind came up a bit throughout the night. You could probably hear it now as I come out of the car or the back of the car. Just gonna make some coffee and we're gonna head up north to Cape Peron, or the northernmost tip of Cape Peron, that is. Maybe do some snorkeling, some fishing. Should be good. Jen and I have been keeping our eyes out to see this little thorny lizard reptile sort of thing. And obviously on the roads, they have there's no shade, so they sit on the roads quite often to bake in the sun. And we thought we just saw one. At least Jen thought she saw one. And there it is. You! Unfortunately. We'll try and see if we can find one, and we'll film it for you guys. They're quite pretty. Ugly, but pretty. Guys, I'm about to show you a very pretty sight. Jen and I have decided to park up on the beach for the day. This area is called Bottle Bay, and just relax. Apparently the snorkeling here is pretty good. But yeah, have a look at that. There you can see a sailboat out in the distance over there. Yeah, it's just this is a day use area, and we've just parked up on the beach. Some people fishing over there, and yeah, over in the rocks in the distance there's apparently some good snorkeling. These cliffs are just insanely beautiful. And where we parked up with the car, you couldn't actually see it. It's only when we went walking in the other direction to these cliffs and we went out up to like a small peninsula or a small sandbank in the ocean that we were able to see the red glimmer just sticking out there. And yeah, obviously we decided to walk over here. Beautiful. Guys, I've just been picking up a ton of fishing tackle, or sinkers mainly, and saw this crazy fish. I'll show you guys that now, but it blends in perfectly with all of the seaweed. If you have any idea of what species of fish this is, please let us know in the comments below. Just look at all of these sinkers and line.
Gonna see if we can shuck a few oysters here, fresh from the ocean.
So far not very successful. Not really much. It tastes like an oyster.
Well, that's good. here's one here that's looks a bit bigger.
Well, that's it for this week's episode. Thank you guys for watching, and in next week's episode we'll be showing you one of Jenn's favorite places. It was so nice, in fact, that we had to go back twice. G'day guys, welcome back to another Salt and Carbon episode. In last week's episode you would have seen us tackling the bazillion corrugations on our way to Steep Point. And in this week's episode... Damn it. G'day guys, welcome back to another Salt and Carbon episode. In last week's episode you would have seen us tackling the bazillion corrugations on our way to Steep Point. Fortunately, the troopy managed